In this short video, I'll show you how to find value stocks in just a few clicks using the ChartMill stock screener. Ready? Let's get started. First, open the stock screener from the ChartMill homepage. Navigate to the Valuation tab and move the slider under ChartMill Valuation Rating to a minimum of 8 out of 10. Next, go to the Health tab and adjust the ChartMill Health Rating slider to at least 7 out of 10. This helps ensure the selected companies also have a solid financial foundation. Want to know more about how our ChartMill fundamental ratings are calculated? Check out this article linked in the description below. To further refine your results, head over to the General tab. Here you can apply a few basic filters. In this example, we'll select US only, price above 5 to avoid penny stocks, market cap at least mid. In the current view, results are shown as graphs by default. To change that, in the blue horizontal bar, click the inverted triangle next to View. From the drop-down menu, choose Columns, FA Valuation. Now you'll see a clear overview of key valuation ratios for each stock, along with its chart. Want to try it for yourself? Create a free account at chartmill.com and start screening value stocks today.